We therefore fully appreciate the promise of the Belt and Road Initiative to transform Africa through road, rail, and air connectivity and other infrastructures, thereby unlocking the vast potential for intra-Africa trade from its present low level of 15%, and to facilitate the actualization of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area. This will enable Africa to unleash its huge manufacturing potential by deploying our enormous renewable energy assets and significant mineral resources to power the continent's ambitious drive to sustainable growth and inclusive prosperity. In recognition of this undeniable promise, we are, for instance, engaging China on extending the standard gauge railway from Kenya through Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, the DRC, into Congo-Brazzaville, thereby linking the Indian Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean. When it is finally implemented, this single project under BRI will deliver for our nations and peoples unprecedented transformation. This gives us an outline of the magnitude of the entire BRI and the scale of possibilities that will come with it.